You're gonna slowly stand up. Slowly.
If you can get down in there where that water's running. Okay, then pull it out and take it over your mouth slowly.
Can you get out here and you just go look?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Oh, she's gonna walk over. Sure. Right here. Right down here. This is how slow people can see. Right. So we're going uphill. There you go.
Now stop it.
Mm-hmm.